Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best outdoor dog baths that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Fuloon Kiddie Pet Pool. One way to get your dog on board with bath time as something fun is by turning it into a pool, which is exactly what you have to look forward to with this pet pool from Fuloon. The best part is that you or your children could hop in there with the pooch for a truly good time, as it can double up as a small above-ground pool. Pools are fun and all, but with all that space and excitement, aren't slip accidents inevitable? Glad you asked. This alternative comes with a non-slip inner lining design. You, therefore, do not have to worry about anyone including your dog getting hurt while in the pool bath. This pool bath comes in red, blue, and orange. Besides, it is available in 4 different sizes: 32-inch in diameter by 8-inch depth, 39.4-inch in diameter by 11-inch depth, 47.2-inch in diameter by 11-inch depth, and 63-inch in diameter by 12-inch depth. Pick the right size and you can join your dog's pool party. The best part is that you do not just have to wait to get home to enjoy the pet pool. If you are planning on taking a fun trip, whether it is a picnic or a hike, you can simply tag it along and give your doggy something to look forward to after all the activities. It is easily foldable into a small compact package, making portability an absolute breeze. If you have the space for it in your yard and would like to make bath time more fun for your dog, then this is a dog bath with a lot to offer you. In addition to the versatility in terms of how much fun you can have, the Fuloon Kiddie Pet Pool also offers convenience both in terms of use and portability. In a nutshell, all its perks make this dog bath more than worth its price. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Booster Bath Elevated Pet Bathing. Safety should always be a priority for you, whether it is an indoor or outdoor dog bath. With this option from Booster Bath, there are several measures in place to ensure that bath time does not end up being a disaster. One measure is its built-in safety harness with a collar. You can use this to keep your excited dog restrained until you are done cleaning them up. Second, there is a non-slip mat on the base of the basin to help further protect the pooch from injuries during bath time. Setting up this bath outdoor is also going to be super easy for you quick snap legs. These will come in particularly handy if you want something you can easily move around for indoor-outdoor use or for packing during adventure trips with your dog. Safety is clearly a priority with the Booster Bath Elevated Pet Bathing Tub, and you could consider it as an alternative to younger and more angsty, accident-prone dogs. At number 3, we have the ddLUCK Multi-Functional Collapsible Pet Bathtub. The ddLUCK Pet Bathtub is a multifunctional product constructed from durable polypropylene and thermoplastic rubber material and is intended for use in bathing small pets that weigh less than 33 pounds. Apart from its use in bathing pets, the multifunctional ddLUCK bathtub can also be used as a large laundry basket, as a bowl for washing clothes, or as a storage organizer for both the bedroom and bathroom. The ddLUCK bathtub also comes with a convenient drainage hole for the easy disposal of wastewater. This bathtub features a convenient foldable design that makes storage and transportation when traveling easy for users. At maximum capacity, the dimensions of the ddLUCK bathtub are a width of 8.3 inches, length of 16.1 inches, and an 11-inch depth. However, when collapsed, the bathtub becomes 15.2 inches wide by 23.6 inches long, and the depth is reduced to just 2.3 inches. The robust and durable build of the ddLUCK bathtub, as well as its suitability for use in a variety of ways, is something that most people will be grateful to have. Additionally, the fact that this foldable bathtub doesn't take up much storage space and can be easily packed for travel is the major takeaway. At number 2, we have the Furesh Folding Bathtub and Washing Station. This Furesh bathtub and washing station is a product that provides a convenient way for pet owners to bathe their small and medium-sized furry friends. It measures 33 inches long by 17.8 inches wide by 11.5 inches deep, and it also comes equipped with a 3-point leash restraint system to keep pets stable while being bathed. This bathtub is constructed from marine-grade PVC, with stainless aluminum tubing that can handle pet weights of up to 40 pounds and a total weight of 110 pounds, including the water's weight. The tub material is easy to clean and resistant to scratches from pets. Users can take advantage of the elevated bathtub to bathe their pets while standing, thereby helping reduce stress on the back that comes with kneeling while bathing pets. This bathtub also has a patented folding design, making it possible for users to fold the tub from 33 inches to less than 6 inches thick for easy storage and transportation. 2 pockets located on the sides of the bathtub make it easy to store and access bathing and grooming essentials such as shampoo and brushes. The bathtub comes fitted with a drainage point where a stretchable drainage hose can be fitted to divert wastewater elsewhere. The Furesh bathtub and washing station provide a simple yet effective means of grooming and keeping our furry friends clean. This tub's lightweight design can comfortably accommodate medium-sized pets, and the elevated design of the tub is something that most pet parents will find convenient to use. And finally at number 1, we have the Petsfit Foldable Dog Pool. The foldable dog pool from Petsfit is one of the strongest dog pools on the market today. It is made of strong and durable PVC material. The pool doesn't have an outlet for draining off the water, but you can easily push the panel inwards to empty the water out. Weighing merely 3.7 pounds, its lightweight design makes it a makeshift bathtub anywhere you are outdoors and if your beloved pooch is in dying need of a proper bath. Spanning 41 inch in diameter and a 12-inch depth, it is able to bathe dogs of all sizes. Once done, it can be folded easily for storage and portability. This amazing Petsfit foldable dog pool is a pool designed to contain a large amount of water without leaking. It is also suitable for dogs of all sizes and is made of strong PVC material for added durability while outdoors. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.